Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin using the Moomoo app. This guide is perfect for beginners who want to get started with cryptocurrency trading safely. First, download and install the Moomoo app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one and complete the necessary verification steps. After logging in, navigate to the Trading section and search for Bitcoin. You'll see the current market price and relevant details for Bitcoin. Take a moment to review this information before making a purchase. Next, click on the Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest or the number of Bitcoin you want to buy. You can also set a limit order if you want to purchase at a specific price. Once you've entered your details, review the order carefully and confirm the purchase. Your Bitcoin will then be added to your Moomoo portfolio, where you can monitor its performance and manage your holdings. And that's it! Buying Bitcoin on Moomoo is straightforward once you know the steps. Make sure to follow market updates and trade responsibly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.